we playing with electric bikes or are we in the fucking V8 club? Come on. Hey, does he have a tow?
Yeah, he's coming.
Okay. I'll take the 420 easy.
What's on, dude? That looks good.
Did it?
Did it feel good?
It felt awesome.
Stay loaded downtown.
Huh?
How much we stayed on load for this first day?
Good.
Rebel souls, deserters we are called.
We're rolling. We're gonna go Q1. Chase the air from Bakersfield, carried it up. Went out first one, didn't get a pass, didn't get us a number. Second one, spun the bolt, or the bolts off the pulley, and chased the number, stayed with it, didn't overthink it, banged the 520 with a 6, so try to back it up.
Yeah, we're about half.
Wes is so popular. Oh, he got a camera in his face. Well, yeah, he's been that way ever since I've known him. Yeah, right? So I had a guy ask me, can I run a cop? And I go,
Doing all good? Gin is good.
Can if you want. I don't know. He's got oxygen, he's got cage. Well, and he's got a good boat.
Love you, have fun.
Should I fall out of love more far in the night to chase a feather in the wind within the glow that weaves a cloak of delight and lose a thread?
Hey, Wes, what lane were you last time? I was inside. I'm going to put you out. Yes, sir, boss man. One out.
I love that.
Part required, straps are good. You probably know everything.
Good.
Love you, Dad. Be safe. You asked him, Shy. He can hear you.
Facebook story yesterday. Back in the old days.